Are you the same Joshua Michael Tejas who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 2266B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on November 9th, 2020 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 41 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Joshua Michael Tejas, the detonator failed to attend and provide verification of attending 90 Narcotics Anonymous meetings in 90 days from September 27th, 2021 through August 31st, 2022, in violation condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, I didn't hear what you were asking me before. This has complete. Oh, sorry.
I did complete the 90 days and 90 meetings.
So is your answer true or not true?
Oh, I get not true.
Okay.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the first day of October 2021 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Joshua Michael Tejas, the detonator consumed alcoholic beverages in violation condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? Violation of condition number 2, true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to deny the motion and extend the individual for 3 years with weekly weekly reporting for 90 days and also random UAs for 90 days, Your Honor.
Is that what you're requesting?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so why should I do this?
Your Honor, this is a very old case and he's completed his 90 narcotics in 90 days. He's completed outpatient treatment. You did have him on 6 drug tests a month at random with a daily call-in for quite a bit of time, and he only missed 3 call-ins that whole time. Yes, he missed 3, but that's it. He did obtain his high school diploma. He works for a government contractor. He also works for Spectrum. He's really done well with all of the treatments he's received. He'll drug test today, but we are asking this court to please allow him to show you for the next few months that he's very serious, and he's also spent 20 days in jail.
Okay.
As a result.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Joshua Tejas.
All right. What's your position at Spectrum?
I'm an inbound call center agent.
All right. Are you the person when you call and you're on hold for a long time?
No, I'm the person who I handle all the people who were on hold.
Oh, okay.
So I get the back end of it. People are angry at me a lot, but I'm doing good at bringing them
All right.
back.
So why have you not been doing well on probation? What is your issue? Do you want to go to the state jail facility for 2 years?
No, ma'am.
All right. So,
I've changed a lot over the course of since I've been on probation, since the motion to revoke has begun. And I've completely changed. And I remember I was here last time when it was Thursday, and you were saying like, why do people change after the fact and stuff like that? And I hear you, but I've made a considerable change as far as my personality and things that I do, my habits, etc. I'm just a completely different person now, and I realized that I was becoming a product of a system due to my old decisions. And considering that I'm a new person now, I don't want to be a product of that anymore.
all right. And how did you enjoy the Bear County Jail?
I hated it.
All right. So I do see probation. I'm reading the court summary. So he's telling me he's completed his GED.
Or a high school diploma.
High school diploma. So that's been completed. And he's informed me that he did do his 90 sober meetings in 90 days.
Yes.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Well, nothing short of being very, very rich, honestly. I don't mean to say it like that, but I have big dreams. I have very high ambitions, and I have the resources and the drive to accomplish 100%.
Well, I always tell people being very, very rich. Oh yeah. My thing is
what I can
people
do
should,
with it.
yeah, but
Yeah.
you know, it's people should want to be able to support themselves. I'm always shocked when people don't say, hey, you know what? I just want to be happy.
But yeah, I have big plans for like things that I want to do and stuff like that. I'm also working in the process of like starting a nonprofit for for foster kids and stuff like that, because I was a foster kid as well myself. And so I have a lot of, I could go on and on about my dreams, honestly. I have big dreams, so.
No, there was always a big issue with the foster care system,
I agree.
where children would age out of the system, and then it's good luck to you.
Mhm.
And there's a program that I used to be involved in. I used to be on their board. It's called Youth Transitioning into Adulthood.
Mm.
And so it was designed to help foster children. Because at the end of the day, I think all of us who went to college, when we went to college and you're short on money, you would pick up the phone, call your mom or somebody to send you money. But when you think about it,
Who's to
if
call?
you're a foster child, who are you going to call? So I'm glad you're looking into doing that to make the system better for foster children. I really wish they would take advantage of the fact that they can go to college for free.
Yeah, I didn't.
And you didn't take
of it,
advantage.
no.
Look at this.
I know.
I had an opportunity
But I'm
to have
actually,
college
I'm
for
actually
free.
glad that I didn't. I needed to go through everything that I had to go
Mhm.
through at the time that I
Mhm.
did, including this.
Mhm.
And this was, the motion to revoke was actually one of the best things that ever happened to me, honestly. It made, like I said, it made me realize that I was becoming a product of my decisions from years ago, and I really was not that same person at all. So then I completely changed my behaviors. I read every day now, like self-development books. Like I'm very intelligent, like self-taught. Everything that I've built as far as the business stuff like that, it's completely self-taught. So I get my.
Well, if you're looking for join a nonprofit, one of the things you should see if maybe you can go to the legislature and change the law, because sometimes when you're immediately out of foster care, they did extend the time for you to apply and go to college. And all you have to do is take one course, and you
Wow.
take that one course and then it's available for you. But maybe you want to talk to the legislature about changing that, because sometimes when people are in foster care and they age out, they don't have necessarily the guidance to say, hey, just try college. And then if you don't like it, then you can do something else, but at least register for a class so it's available to you.
My goal with that is to cultivate a bunch of business owners who can, we can kind of like start like a little school to where we go to people who are gonna age out, and then we teach them new ways to like make money so that they have something to do when they get out.
Well, you should actually talk to the organization YTIA, Youth Transition into Adulthood, and let them know that you were in foster care, and let them know different issues you see, because they're always open to that. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right. So, Ms. Abrams, we're going to do a drug test today by 3 p.m. If it's negative, extend for 1 year. If it's positive, extend for 3 years. And there are to be regular random UAs if he's negative. If he's positive, as I said, extend for 3 years and have him come back here to look me in my face and tell me why he was positive.
This case expired in November of 2022.
Mhm.
So if we extend him for just that 1 year, that case would have been terminated 2023.
Yes.
So if negative, regular random rate thereafter would not be.
No, if he's, because it seems to me, and if this is not the party's intent, and if people don't, we can go off the record. If this is not the party's intent, let me know. It seems to me that when this motion to revoke was filed, I asked him to do certain things. He has done it. He's on probation. We're trying to rehabilitate people on probation. It seems to me that he's addressed the issues I wanted addressed. He's obtained his diploma. His phone won't stop going off. Maybe I should extend him 3 years for that. And, if he's negative, then
I just want to make
yeah,
sure.
no, I appreciate it. So, Ms. Abrams, how do you feel about the court? If he's negative, he'll be done. All right. If you're positive, you're not going to be done.
I hear you. I will definitely be negative. I haven't been using and I don't use.
All right. So you need to be drug tested. And Ms. Abrams, if you let them know he needs to be drug tested for alcohol as well, and that's by 3 p.m.
Sounds good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good seeing you.
My name is Happy. I upload courtroom video for education purpose. This video may contain copyrighted works not specifically authorized for use, but believed in good faith to be protected by the fair use doctrine under Section 107 of U.S. copyright law.